Just arrived at the customer's house, and before any work commences, I'm just going to take a little bit of video here just to show what happens, unfortunately, if you spill something on a luxury vinyl tile floor and then you use the wrong cleaner to then remove whatever it is that you've dropped. So what we're having to do here today is repair this area here. So there's a tile here. We're going to try and mask off this area, strip it, and then reapply the finish, and hopefully that will fix that. Anyway, let's come back to this in a bit and see if we solve the problem. Right, that's the job complete, and I've managed to blend in the seal around that door, around that area there. It's still drying there. If I zoom in, you can see that's blended very, very well. There was also an area just down here that you won't probably see on video, but there was some patches here, and I've dry stripped this and applied the sealer, several coats of the sealer, so that's now blended in with this part here. I didn't have to strip any of this, so that all looks even, how it should look.